smell them before you even get close to them.
Yeah.
And you can't even see the smoke in there.
Tilt my camera up to see the top of that mountain.
In case you don't believe us, we are in the snow area yet.
Yeah.
Beside the road.
That's a pretty good thick bank of snow still. But this weather, it shouldn't take long to melt, although that's on the north side, so it takes longer. Ooh, that's quite the gust of wind. Getting even more hazy. We are at 3,071 feet. Looks like several plateaus in the distance, but it's so hazy you can't really see them very well. .6% grade. Well, good morning. On that note, we're coming to a steep hill. We just left West Fork Campground. We had a nice quiet night there. It's not a bad campground. It's not very well maintained.
Horribly maintained.
Yeah, there was a lot of garbage around. We had to work at getting a fire. The firewood provided was freshly cut. It was really wet, so we had to find some dry stuff around.
Well, and they cut it 30 inches long and expect you to maybe split it with a splitting axe. Yeah, right.
Yeah, so if you go to West Fork Campground, make sure you bring a saw.
No, log splitter.
A log splitter. What'd you say, 5 horsepower?
At least 5 horsepower. Or 5 ton.
Yeah, it was really hard to split it. It was so wet.
Impossible, knotty.
So we put some on top so it could dry so we could burn it. I mean, the sap was just pouring right out of it.
Well, you can see the sap when they drove the axe in.
Yeah.
Squish them beside the axe head.
And some of the logs they give you are I'd say at least 12 inches round. Like they're huge. And like Roy said, some are 30 inches long, so you can't split them.
The really funny part is some of them were literally longer than the fire pit.
Okay, I gotta...
There's a moose with a cat. And they're gone. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a moose with a cat.
Are they in the ditch up here yet? They were on the road. That's why I stopped our video short. There they are. They're in the ditch up there.
I don't see them. Oh, way up.
Yeah.
I think you're reading.
I just saw movement up there a second ago. I don't see them now. They're up in that hollow up there is where they were. They were on the road. Just up a little bit farther here. This is where they went in, right here. Right here is where they went in. Can you see them up in there?
I can't go here either.
Shoot.
I don't know why they'd stay in the ditch.
They walked along the ditch for a little bit. I could see them, and then they disappeared up the hill. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, we're doing all these nice parking areas around. Come on, buddy. Yeah, on the other side of the road.
Rental.
Yeah, we'll see lots of rentals.
Yeah, we've seen lots of rentals. 5% grade. There's a nice parking area. You can maybe find a flat spot there. I didn't see a sign for
There seem to be a lot of signs on some of them.
for no camping, but we didn't stop and read everything. So
At the end of the street, turn right.
getting close to Tok. About a half mile. I forgot we have to turn on to the main highway here, Alaska Highway. So this is the Alcan again?
This is, well, Alcan, or this is
Part of it.
Alaska. No.
Canada that way, Tok this way.
Continue on
Some
Alaska
buildings
2.
for sale if you want them.
Might be some land.
So Tok 12 miles, Fairbanks 217, Anchorage 347. We are at almost 3,000 feet right now. And we're in Alaska. Took us 3 weeks to get here, but we're here. Wow. Oh my. Boat launch here. Really nice boat launch. Wow. Aren't those mountains gorgeous? Even in the haze. 1,000 feet to the scenic outlook.
The bikers.
Yeah. That's probably another one that you can't camp overnight. That's Mount Fairplay Wayside.
What's this flag? Just a raven. Mountain range down the side here.
Yeah. Tok Visitor Services next 2 miles. Welcome to Tok, Alaska. Alaska Range Motel. like most of the stuff's on the left side. Alaskan Stoves Campground. 40 Mile Air. There's the airport. There's Welding Services RV Auto Repair. Young's Motel, Fast Eddie's Restaurant. There's Den Lounge. Three Bears, Alaska. Oh, there's the campground there.
What?
We just passed the campground.
Oh. Well, what have you got in there?
The town of Tok.
Oh.
This is
You
the...
had the campground.
No, I didn't. I figured we'd find it. Tok RV Village cabins, gifts, laundry, Wi-Fi. So we're getting our windshield repaired. It's got the suction cups on the inside and the outside. The chip repair. We just got to the campsite. We're in campsite 808. Oh yeah, you can see the UV lights in there drying it.
See it.
So he put some fire on the inside. He had a flame to heat up the
He
glass.
had an igniter.
Yeah, and then he spread the...
Rubbed it and pushed the stuff in.
Yeah. Now he's got UV lights on there to dry it. Or cure it, I guess.
Yeah.
So this is home for tonight. Lexi's had a bath. It's $20 for 45 minutes for the car wash. It's pretty hard water, you can tell from the window. She's pretty dirty. On the windows we have to do some Windex on them, but she looks a lot better. We got the windshield patch or crack chip it's called, repaired. The owner of the park here does the repair. It was $65. You can still see where it is, but he says it won't run or anything now. Lexi looks so much better. Tomorrow we're gonna do the windows. Trying to walk through the roots here. We just have water and electric. It was $134.34 plus $3.50 processing fee for $137.84. Car wash was $20 for 45 minutes. They told us we could take longer if there's nobody waiting, but 45 minutes was all we needed. And you're not allowed to do the roof. You're not allowed to use soap. Can't dump your gray water there. They provide doggy bags. There's a barbecue here for people to use. Trash can. This row is electric and water only. The 3 rows behind me are electric, water, and sewer. The building over there is laundry, showers, bathrooms, and then in the main office when you come in there's showers and washrooms there. I don't know if there's laundry in the main. There's trees between the sites. Here are pretty close together. And then the far area over there in front of that grove of trees is dry camping. Don't know how much that is. The car wash is based on the length of your RV. So the longer you are, the more expensive it's going to be. You get a picnic table. Firewood was $7.50 for a really tiny bundle. But there's no fire pit here, so I'm not sure where you would use the firewood unless they have a central pit somewhere. We have woods across from us here. So yeah, it's beautiful weather, just gorgeous out. Gonna have our showers and put some shorts on. Enjoy the rest of the day.